guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Sawal Saturday video जहाँ every Saturday मैं आपके सवालों के जवाब देती हूँ. But before we go in, I have a very important सवाल to ask. क्या ये किसी और के साथ भी होता है कि आप चाहे नहा लो लॉकडाउन में या ना नहाओ, आप सेम ही लगते हो. Like I turned the camera on and I'm looking at myself and I'm like, this is exactly how I looked before I took a shower today. So what is even the point? Anyway, we have a bunch of questions for this week. Let's get into it. Malvika Bagul. Hi Malvika. Hey Prajakta, here are some W questions. Which fictional character you think would be the most exciting to meet in real life? Harry Potter. I think so. Like, I would be most excited to go to Hogwarts. When you have 30 minutes of free time, how do you pass it? There's a list that I can go to. Number one on that list is I take a nap. I will literally sleep. I have mastered the art of power naps. तो अगर मैं 20 मिनट सो सकती हूँ, मैं 20 मिनट सो जाऊँगी. अगर मैं 30 मिनट है मेरे पास तो even better. So I'll either take a nap या फिर मैं कोई एक एपिसोड देख लूँगी whatever show I'm watching, or I'll read a chapter, or I'll just surf Instagram or my phone or something like that. What is the silliest thing you have heard people say about you? What is the silliest thing?
She's dangerous.
What?
She's secretly a serial killer.
That is not silly. That is a great rumor. If that is a vibe I give away, then great. What makes a person beautiful to you, if they smile or not? I feel like the whole thing, a person's face looks completely different when they smile. So I feel like if they don't smile, I don't think they're pretty to me. Lavanya KV. Hi Lavanya. Namaste. Hope you're safe and happy. Namaste. I'm good. I'm safe. I'm happy. I'm hoping कि आप भी safe or happy हो. My question is, have you ever agreed to any hate comment? Like agreed to any hater at any point? You can't agree to a hate comment because haters don't have a point. You need a point to agree with. Haters don't get to a point. Hate is very baseless. लेकिन I have agreed to a lot of my critics. कई बारी hate हम कुछ चीज़ों को ऐसे hate बोल के छोड़ देते हैं, but a lot of times it's not hate. It's positive, constructive feedback. So इसीलिए I always go through all my comments and I don't only read the comments that say, I mean I read and I love those comments, but I don't only read or like or respond to comments that say Prajakta, good job or great work. As much as I value those comments, I also value comments that give me an honest feedback of what my work is to them, or you know how they think it can get better. अब वो feedback लेना या नहीं लेना वो मैं पे dependent है, but I appreciate the feedback. और कई बारी उस feedback ने मेरी बहुत help करी है. So haters से कोई agree नहीं कर सकता कभी. Haters don't have a point or a life. Rutvi Patel. Hi Rutvi. When will travel vlogs come up? So excited to watch them. Ayushi Garg. Hey Prajakta, love from Jaipur. Hi Ayushi. My question is, would you prefer a war against aliens or a war against robots? I mean definitely not robots, because I feel like if it's a war against robots or maybe robots, because I know how to turn a robot off, right? Uska battery compartment में से battery निकाल दिया तो he's done. What to do next? But aliens I don't know how to deal with yet. It's 2020. You never know. Next thing you know is they ask you to stay inside the house because aliens are roaming the face of this earth. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible. So I think robots. Shraddha Jadhav. Hi Shraddha. Hey Prajakta, my 10-year-old daughter Soumya. Oh hi Soumya. Is your very big fan and she simply adores you. She has a question. Oh, thank you so much. She has a question for you. What is the first thing you will do once this lockdown ends? This she has asked me to write. Aww. The first thing I will do is I think I'll go to work. I will get up and I'll get ready and I'll drive to work and I will shoot a video with the team. That's what I'll do. MS Rahman. Hey Prajakta, I'm Wahida Rahman from West Bengal. Hi. Here are my questions. What was the best book you've ever read? A lot of books left to read, लेकिन जो मैंने पढ़े उसमें से I think The Diary of a Young Girl is the best book I've ever read. What is the best vacation you've been on? Vacation. I think any place in Europe. Bruges in Belgium. What do you remember about your elementary school? Will I sound very stupid if I tell you I don't know what elementary school is? Like I've seen it in movies and series and stuff like that. लेकिन इंडिया में elementary school नहीं होता है यार. यहाँ पे pre school होता है, फिर school होता है, फिर high school भी नहीं होता है. It's 11, 12 junior college and then college. तो elementary is I'm guessing primary school. What do I remember the most? मेरी जो नर्सरी की टीचर है जिनके बारे में मैं पहले भी 2-3 बार बात कर चुकी हूँ, मालिनी मिस. I remember her. I remember Aditi miss. I just remember Suchitra miss. I remember all my teachers. I've had a really good luck streak when it comes to just getting amazing teachers all my life. What are the unique things you're interested in? Yeah, again, unique is so सब्जेक्टिव. आपके लिए जो यूनिक है वो शायद मेरे लिए बड़ा नॉर्मल सा हो, या मेरे लिए जो यूनिक है आप ऐसे सोचो कि ये क्या है, मतलब ये तो. सो आई डोंट नो. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इन द मॉर्निंग? आई ड्रिंक अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर. व्हाट इज द लास्ट थिंग यू डू बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप? आई check my phone actually before I go to sleep. By the way, love your videos. Thank you so much, Vahida. हर्षल कराडकर. Hi हर्षल, कसं चाललंय रे आयुष्य? Hey Prajakta, my birthday is coming and my questions are: do you watch videos of fact checks? Ever bullied by senior? What is your... Wow, Harshal Karadkar is म्हणजे random only, huh? He has started with my birthday is coming and my questions are: do you watch? I'm guessing that's a YouTube channel. Have you ever been bullied and what is my blood group? These are 4 lines with 4 very different meanings, nothing linked to each other. हर्षल कसं करतोस रे असं? हा, मज्जा झाली म्हणे, मला ते कळेच ना. So many aunties who speak like this. I thought you started with your birthday, you'll say some. Okay, never mind. Have I ever been bullied by seniors? No, I have not. What is my blood group? It's O positive. And have you watched videos of fact checks? No, I have not. Harshal, काय रे Harshal? AV vlog, hi. How are you? Are you safe? What would you do if lockdown's over? Where would you go? Why you don't show your real parents in vlog? How many siblings you have? How old are you? I didn't know we were playing rapid fire AV vlogs. That's a lot of questions. This is like, hey, how are you? Are you safe at home? How? What would you do if lockdown? What are we going to go? What do you do with our parents? What do your siblings? How do I... That's a lot of... We have a lot of time, okay, in lockdown. That's a lot of questions. Ambika Maji. Hi Ambika. Can you spell all words given below in 10 seconds? Suro. Oh, spell. Of course I can spell. You've written the spellings. PSEUDO, PSEUDO, POPARATHYROIDISM. Did you mean can I pronounce it? Maybe you did. But you don't spell. And yes, I can. Vibrant Vidhi. Hi, Vibrant Vidhi. How do your parents call Vrishank? Like this. Vrishank! Vrishank! Come now. Enter the frame. Come now.
No.
That's how they call him. It's very effective. He answers every time. Setting your closet or shooting continuously for 72 hours? I will always shoot continuously for 72 hours. Okay, that is all the questions we have for this week's #Sawal Saturday video. If you like it, please leave it in the comment section below. I will answer your questions. What? If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Prajakta, you've been doing this for 3 years, Prajakta. 3 years, Prajakta. Know better. Know how to say your videos. Okay, I'm gonna go. I am writing a script. बहुत सुन लिया मैंने आपकी तरफ से, सब लोग बोले जा रहे हैं मोंटू किधर है, मोंटू किधर है, मोंटू को लेके आओ. Okay, fine, great. थोड़ा बहुत ग्लिम्स मोंटू का था पिछले थर्सडे वाले वीडियो में. If you haven't seen it, watch it. But if you want more Montu is what you will get. So I'm working on a script that has Montu everywhere. Hopefully I finish it today and then I shoot it in the next couple of days. ठीक है, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'll see you again on Tuesday. Until we meet. Love.